Let's take a quick look at how to share files inside of a Google Drive. Right now I'm inside of this Google Drive called Drive Tutorial. I can see it up here. And there's nothing in this drive, it's blank. So let's add something to the drive first. There's two ways I can do that. I can go here and add new, or I can right click here and add whatever I want, whether it be another folder, upload a file, upload a folder, or add one of these applications here that Google gives us for free. I'm going to go ahead and add this form. And once I add the form, I can add the name here, whatever I want. And I can add my information here, whatever I'm doing, add some more sheets, and then I want to save it. I can go Control S to save, and then I can go ahead and close that. Once that is saved, I can then share this. But what if I wanted to share everything in my folder? What if there was more than just one thing here? What if I were to have a duplicate or something else? So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to add a Google Docs. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to add my information. I'm going to hit Control S to save it, and then I'm going to close it. Now I have these two documents here. I don't want to share one document. I want to share everything in this folder. So what I can do here is I can click on this little arrow, and then I can go to Get Link, which will give me a link directly. But if I wanted to share to individuals, I can go here to share, and what happened is your name will be here and you can add the individuals. Or from here you can also simply get a link. But if you just need a link, we can use the other one. But let's look at how we can do that here. Let's say I want to share it to individuals. I would add the individual email here and click done and then give them the link. I would copy that link because it would be restricted, you see. Now if I didn't want it restricted, I want it for anyone with a link. If I were to copy this link, it is restricted. But if I wanted anyone with a link, I can take this restriction and go down here, anyone with a link. Once that is set, I can copy this link and then use that link, send it to anyone who I want to have access to edit or view these things, download them, not edit, but download them and view them. I can then also do it this way. I can go here and get link because I'm going to share it with anyone with a link. And as you can see, it automatically sets it up with anyone with the link. And if this was not automatically set up, what you can do is just click on this little arrow here and then select that and then copy that link, and then you're done. And then you can submit that link. Now, the best way to check this out is to open up a new browser. So let's open up, I'm going to open up a different browser. This is Chrome. I'll open up a browser like, let's try Edge. So here's Microsoft Edge. I'm going to put that link in Edge and see if it opens up. If it opens up, that means anyone can open it up because we haven't logged into Edge. We're just using it as a test, and we have direct access as if we were a different user. That's how I can test to make sure that that link actually works. But once you do everything right, you sort of get used to doing it properly, you won't have a problem. What if I wanted to share one of these folders and not everything, one of these files, sorry, and not everything in the folder? I just right click on the file and do exactly the same thing. Hopefully this video was helpful. Make sure you share it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time.